This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 1. So the question states, let G equals to V comma E be a directed graph where V is set of vertices and E is the set of edges. Then which one of the following graphs have the same strongly connected components as G? So what is a strongly connected component? So in a strongly connected component, there is a path from every vertex to every other vertex. So if we have like this, then we have a path from V1 to V2 as well as V3. We have path from V2 to V1 and V3, and we have path from, maybe we have something like V3 to V2, and then we have path from V3 to V1 also through V2. So this is a strongly connected component and it is a directed graph. We need to tell which has the same number of strongly connected component as our given graph G. So let us see the options. G equals to V comma E1 where E1 equals to UV if UV doesn't belong to E. Okay, so if we have a graph like this with two vertices V1 and V2, and we have another vertex V3 and the edge is like V1 to V2 and V2 to V1, then we have two strongly connected components. First one is of V1 V2 and second one is of V3. So we have two strongly connected components. This is G. Now if we create G1, then G1 will have all the edges which are not present in E. So it will have V1 V2 V3. So it will have V1 V3 V3 V1. It will have V2 V3 V3 V2. And let us suppose we have, okay, to contradict this, let us suppose we have just V1 V2. Okay, so what we and then it will have only one strongly connected component. Then if we create G1, then it won't have any edge as all the edges are already present. So it will have two strongly connected components. Both has different strongly connected components, thus this is false. Now let us see option B. So option B states that G2 equals to V comma E2 where E2 equals to U comma V if VU belongs to E. So it is something like, if we have two vertices V1 and V2 and we have an edge from V1 to V2, then in our G2 we will have the edge from V2 to V1. Okay, so see, what is the meaning of strongly connected component? It means that there will be a path from V1 to every other vertex, V2, V3 and Vn. Now if we reverse this, and similarly from V2 to every other vertex, V3 to every other vertex. Now if we reverse this, it means we have a path from V2 to V1. As the edges reverse, the path will also exist as all the edges will get reversed in the path. So there will exist a path from V2 to V1, V3 to V1, Vn to V1, and from V1 to V2, V3 to V2 and so on. So it will also have the same number of strongly connected components. So option B is true. Now let us see option C. So what option C says? So option C says G3 V comma E3 where E3 is U comma V, there is a path of length less than equal to 2 from U to V in E. So if we have some vertices V1, V2, V3 and we have some paths like this, so we pass from V1 to V2, V1 to V3, V2 to V1, V2 to V3 and V1 to V3, yes. So it has one strongly connected component. Now it is saying that in our graph G3, what we are doing is that if we have V1, V2 and V3, then we are having all the paths less than equal to 2. Now since an edge is a path of length less than equal to 2, so it will have all the edges, yes, and it will have some more 2 length paths too. But even if, what is the meaning of strongly connected component? It means there is a path from a vertex Vi to every other vertex Vj. Now even if we connect 2 length paths to 1, if it was like V1 to V2 to V3 and we make a new path V1 to V3 in G3, even in that case it will be connected and strongly connected component will remain the same. So option C is also true. Let us see option D. It says G equals to V4 comma E where V4 is set of vertices in G that are not isolated. Okay. So let us see, let us suppose we have V1, V2. So G4 will have all the vertices which are not isolated. Okay, so let us suppose we have 3 vertices, all are isolated vertices. So it has 3 strongly connected components, G1. Then G4 will also have G4 won't have any vertices as all are isolated. So G4 will be a null graph and it will have 0 strongly connected component. So thus 0 is not equal to 3. Thus option D is also false. So correct answer to this question is option B and C, both are true.